Technical analysis is the strategy most commonly employed by day traders. The field of technical analysis is far more approachable than you might expect. Yes, it has to be learned, just as with any profession. But technical analysis for day traders is simple to understand and easy to apply. More importantly, technical analysis does not only relate to dry analysis and comprehension, but actually offers a practical strategy for stock trading. For day traders, technical analysis involves searching for technical signals in stock charts for the purpose of forecasting future price trends. While technical analysis focuses on price changes, it takes no interest in the reasons for those changes. This is in contrast to fundamental analysis, which attempts to predict price trends based on the company's performance, including changes in volume, profitability, demand for the company's products, management, cash flows, and more. The technical day trader's three basic premises are as follows. The change in price embodies all market forces. In other words, the stock price expresses everything that can impact the price: economics, psychology, politics, etc. Therefore, all that is needed is to follow the price, which reflects changes in supply and demand. Prices move in trends. Trends are cyclical and therefore generally allow us to predict their direction. History repeats itself. For more than a century, technical analysts have been assisted by graphs plotting stock trends. Technical analysts believe that future price movements can be predicted based on this past history. While technical analysis is an important strategy for day traders, technical analysis alone is not enough. At the most, only 10% of technical analysis components actually work, but not in a vacuum. If you know which of technical components to isolate from all those available and how to integrate them with other components unrelated to technical analysis, you have a good chance of succeeding. In fact, some day traders have found great success by integrating the tools of technical analysis with those of fundamental analysis. For more on this, see the video titled How to Combine Technical and Fundamental Analysis in Day Trading.
Thank you for watching our video. The material was taken from The Market Whisperer, my Amazon best-selling book. This essential guide to stock trading is ideal for those with no background or experience in stock trading. Click here to read the 200-page part 1 of this book absolutely free. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can view many more stock trading videos. Questions or comments, please submit them below.